All right, hey everyone, welcome to yet another um, tutorial in the MakeForms series. And today we're going to see how you can add tracking scripts on your MakeForms, right? So that's very important. If you're sending this form to anyone else, or if you're running ads, or if you're doing anything else, you need to track, right? So if to feed the data back to your advertising platform, be it Facebook, be it Google. So let's see how you can add your tracking scripts today. All right, so once you have kind of done with all of your forms and have all of the you know passwords and input fields and everything, and you said I'm good to go, you can of course save it and go in sources. And it's important that before you even go to sources, you publish the form, right? So that's why you need to make sure everything is correct, the thank you page is correct, the verbiage is correct, everything else. Okay, so once done, go to sources. Inside sources, you need to check out this particular thing, which is because this is your form link, right? So once you open it a new tab, it will open like this. It will go to your form, right? So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and edit the source and then scroll down to where it says form page analytics and pixel tracking and thank you page analytics and pixel tracking. Now this is more for your event tracking. So let's say if a lead signs up, and you can then send the data back to Facebook or Google that it's a lead, so it's conversion event, right? Here you will paste your main codes. So for example, we have to paste our Facebook tracking pixel. So I've got an example over here. I'll copy this, I'll paste this, and then I copy my Google GA4 ID. I'll copy it and I'll paste it over here. Similarly, I will paste my Facebook ID as well. So if you know conversion ID and pixel ID, it's the same, right? Because automatically they would track at the backend what conversion event we have in this pixel. So I'll go ahead and again copy my pixel ID and then copy my Google conversion ID, which is your event code, right? So we have our event code, copy it, paste it, and then hit save. Right, so it will showcase source updated, and then you are good to go with your form tracking and adding the scripts over here. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.